Well, just did a live on terms of use for online courses or the sale of digital products. Just thought I'd do a quick video explaining what this policy is and why you might need it. So with online business, you don't have the luxury of having your purchasers sign a physical contract agreeing to certain terms concerning the use of your products once they purchase. The terms of use is the next best thing. So this policy goes in the footer of your sales page or your landing page and in your checkout as a box that purchasers have to click to and say, I agree to these terms in order for the purchase to go forward. You've seen this before with other businesses. And what it does is once they click to agree, it creates a binding contract between them and you, and they are bound to the terms within the terms of use. You get to specify how many times and on how many devices somebody can download your digital products, for example, or with regard to online courses, how many times and how many devices they can download your course materials on. It also, very importantly, spells out your intellectual property rights and says that your digital products or online course can't be used for a commercial purpose. And they can only use it for a personal purpose. And then finally, although the terms of use is much more comprehensive than this, but as far as the most important provisions go, is payment terms. Especially if you have a subscription model, for example, you want to make sure that you ensure that you get paid regardless of the circumstances. So a payment provision within the terms of use spells out what payments you accept, what happens in the event of default, that you don't accept chargebacks, for example, and other important payment terms. So those are just a few very quick benefits to a terms of use policy. Questions? Let me know.